In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find winning products for TikTok Shop affiliate. We're going to be using this website called Kalodata. So this is the homepage. It is basically the best tool that there is out there for TikTok Shop e-commerce. You can find all types of data and information about TikTok Shop e-commerce on here. So what you can do is to sign in, and once you're inside, here you'll be able to see the different tabs. For example, you can see the trending products, which products are making money right now, the hot videos, and when you scroll down, you're able to see like the top products that are doing really well right now. So let's click on one of them. So on the product page, you're able to see the revenue that it's generating in the past week. This is the last 7 days, the items sold, and which creators are making the revenue. So it's very extensive, and you'll be able to see like a lot of the information on this page. And when you scroll down, you see the specific videos. And let's look at this one.
If your breath stinks after you brushed your teeth like a couple of hours ago, you need an oil probe. What's the point of brushing your teeth if you're not getting?
So you can see the entire video here. You're able to download the video or export the script. So here you have the script ready to go. So this tool is amazing. So what you can do is also use AI to optimize it. You can make the script more passionate. You can change the wording. You can make it shorter. You can emphasize the selling point. Let's exit out of here. This video alone brought in 238,000 of revenue. It has 11 million views and it sold 22,000 units. So this creator is killing it. So if you want more information, you can just click on this and you can see the specific video. And this is the stats. So this is the last 7 days, last 30 days. This creator generated 334,000 of revenue. This creator made, we can just find the same exact product in the TikTok shop. So what you can do is just come to the TikTok app and go to product marketplace and just search up this product. So it should be the first one here. What you can do is sort by best sellers. So it looks like the first one. As you can see, here is 10% commission. The revenue here is 334,000 for the past month. So this creator made about 33,000 off this video alone. That's pretty crazy. So we can go back and look at a different product. Let's look at this one. So this one is another trending product. So we could just go by last 7 days. And let's come to the first creator here. So this creator generated 215,000 of revenue. Let's look at this video. It's a really simple video. She didn't even speak in this video and she's making bank. So what you can do now, again, you can just search up the Nice Day Steppers on the app. I think I had already searched for this Nice Day Stepper and it looks like it's the first one. We can sort by best sellers. Yep, I think it's the first one. This one is also 10% commission. So based on this revenue, last 7 days, she made about 21,000 off this one video. Yeah, so this website makes researching a lot easier. And when you come down here, you can see this different similar videos. So let's look at this one. So this one is the 6 seconds video and she had generated 16,000 in revenue. So this alone, she made about 1,600 for a 6 seconds video. So let's go back to the explore page. So this is where you can find the top products. This is where you can find the top creators. This is where you can find the top shops, top videos, and top live stream. So everything is categorized very efficiently. So if you want to see one of these top videos, you can just come here and click this. And it'll take you to the top videos and you'll see all types of stats relating to the specific videos. So next, let's come to the category tab. This is where you can select the different category. So for example, if you want to narrow down your searches by the different categories, you could do that. You can filter by revenue, the revenue growth rate, or revenue per shop. And when you come to creator, you can also come to the follower filter and look at creators with a smaller following. For example, if we go less than 50,000, click submit, and then you'll see all the creators that have less than 50,000 followers. And you can also see that their videos are also popping off. So a lot of these smaller creators are getting views on the platform because TikTok is pushing shop really hard right now. Alright, so this was a quick walkthrough for this tool, Kalodata. If you're selling on TikTok shop or if you're just being an affiliate, this tool is a game changer. It'll make researching so much easier. It tells you everything you need to know. So I highly recommend it. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment and I'll make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.